Take your mark. For boys, 10 years old, first place, De Leon Genuel Booth. Second place, Wills Jude Asarcon. And third place, Jedrick Cipriano. De Leon, first place. Second place, Asarcon. And third place, Cipriano for AFB Division.
Heat 2, event number 5, mixed 10 and under 50-meter backstroke. Lane 2, Luzana Lianis Jana. Lane 3, Bigoma Janine. Lane 4, Garcia Renton. Lane 5, Elias Jan. Lane 6, Mario Saina Denise. And lane 7, Gomez Gian Paolo Angelo.
We are now awarding the 10-year-old boys, De Leon Asarcon Cipriano.